Good job. What's your next exercise? What's that one?
Crazy day.
Crazy day? Okay, Jones, do some jumping jacks.
Baby, you know how hard it's going to be to unwind him?
Jen, show Daddy your push-up.
Daddy wants me push-ups.
Let's see him, dude.
The push-ups and quads and daddies and mommies and the addies and me. I'm there.
Let's see your push-ups. It's a good ones, man. There you go. Get up on your toes.
Daddy, 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 daddy.
Give me some more push-ups.
Mommy, 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 mommy.
Jones, give me 20 push-ups. You're fun with him.
Jones, 5 more push-ups. Ready, go.